Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. My daddy gives me what I want when I want it. Some say I might be spoiled, but I think it's love with benefit. But when I heard of the golden tickets, I just had to get one. A trip to Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory? There is no way a Snoopy little orphan can get what's truly mine. So I told him if he wouldn't get me my ticket, I would scream. When I screamed, my daddy starts to get nervous and sweats. He sweats and moans before he finally agrees. I don't really think he likes me singing. Though he pays £500 for voice lessons, does he really think I use that for singing? Every day I cried and screamed for my golden ticket, but nothing. His workers could do was work so fast, and he had bought over 1 million boxes for one golden ticket, and all those greedy workers could complain. It's too hot. My hands are bleeding. Can I go home? Lazy little things. Then on the third day around my morning tantrums, Daddy gave me my golden ticket. I finally got it. To think that the kids want all around the world, I have. But now I want a pony. Thank you.